If you have an iPhone or iPad and a Mac computer, Forecast Bar can work seamlessly between them and unlock additional features. Generally, this will all happen automatically if you have your Mac and your iOS device logged in using the exact same Apple ID. You'll also want to make sure that you have iCloud Drive enabled to ensure that the two versions can talk to each other. On your iPhone or iPad, you can go to Settings, Mac Sync, and get an idea of what's happening. The iCloud Sync option will let you turn this feature off if you would not like any information to be shared between your devices. However, if you do have this enabled, you'll be able to get precipitation alerts when rain is imminent, as well as keep a temperature badge on your iOS device with the current temperature. This will be updated automatically every time your Mac or your iPhone updates the weather. You're also able to send your phone's location to the Mac. This will help if you're using something like a laptop and always want the location of your Mac weather to be using the location of your phone. You can see our FAQ here if you're having any trouble setting things up, and you can always reach out to us at support@higherbarapps.com.